Severe snowstorm hits Breuil-Cervinia, Italy, disrupting communications. A powerful snowstorm has struck Breuil-Cervinia, Italy, located 2,000 meters above sea level, causing widespread disruptions. The storm brought severe wind gusts exceeding 100 kilometers per hour, crippling communication services. The extreme weather conditions affected the Alpine sectors of Piedmont and Valle d'Aosta in northern Italy, with foehn winds extending to valley floors and plains. Local residents captured stunning footage of the intense storm. The Italian Meteorological Service issued a storm warning, predicting continued severe weather conditions throughout the day.